Hi everyone, my name is Holly O'Brien and I am a law graduate from Trinity College Dublin, and I am going to be talking a bit about my experience with further education and progressing into third level. After school, I had chosen the route of further education to pursue a degree in law. So I firstly studied pre-university law with criminology up in Drogheda Institute of Further Education. To me, that was instrumental in my college experience, and it really bridged the gap between third level and further education for me and got me into my dream course. The highlight of my PLC experience was meeting the amazing tutors and classmates who supported me in my journey to third level. Without their support, it would have been a very different experience, and I'm forever grateful to them. The other side of that is getting my first-hand experience in a law firm. I'm still in that law firm today, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity that further education brought me. I truly believe that further education helps students to realise their full potential. When I went into Trinity, I went in with a lot of knowledge, and all of this knowledge came from further education. I excelled amongst my classmates, and now I'm set to graduate this year. I'm very excited for the future, and this is all thanks to further education. Further education played a huge part in my journey, and it can do the exact same for you.